Hi everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. Today I'm excited to show you a super easy crochet flower pattern that's quick and perfect for beginners. You can use this flower to decorate projects, accessories, or even make a bouquet. So grab your yarn and let's jump right into the tutorial. We will start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times like this. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have a loop on our hook. We will start with round 1. There we need to chain 4, yarn over and pull through the loop. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then I'm going to work a double crochet into the magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is a double crochet. Now chain 1 and then repeat the pattern. 1 double crochet and chain 1. Again 1 double crochet into the magic ring and chain 1. Like that we are going to repeat 11 times in total. Now I have completed 7 sets here and I feel like the magic ring is too big for me. So I'm going to pull this tail a little to make the magic ring smaller and then continue the pattern. 8, 9, 10 and 11. And then we will pull the tail tight to close the magic ring, and then we are going to join the round. So what we need to do is just go into the 3rd chain from the beginning and work a slip stitch. This is the 3rd chain. So I'm going to insert the hook into the 3rd chain, yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the 1st round, and leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. After that we will use the yarn needle to hide the tails like this. And this is what we have completed. And then we will get started with round 2 with a different color. I'm going to join the pink yarn. So just insert the hook into any one of these chain 1 spaces and pull the pink yarn through the space like this. Now chain 1, and then I'm going to work over this tail on this round so that I don't have to worry about hiding it at the end. Now we need to work 2 single crochets inside the chain 1 space here. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the single crochet. Again insert the hook into the same space and work another single crochet. Just like that I'm going to work 2 single crochets into each one of these chain 1 spaces around. 1 and 2. Again 2 single crochets into the chain 1 space here, 1 and 2. Again repeat the pattern, 1 and 2. Like that I'm going to repeat the pattern until the end of the round. Now I'm at the end of the round. To join, what we need to do is just leave a long tail and cut the yarn off. And then we will use the yarn needle to join the round. Just thread the yarn needle and then I'm going to skip the first single crochet here and go into the stitch on top of the second single crochet of the round and insert the needle like this, and then go into the very last single crochet of the round and just pull these two loops like this. With that, we have joined the round. And this is what it looks like. And then we will just run the tail through a few stitches to secure that like this. And then just cut the excess piece of yarn. With that, we have completed the second round as well, and this is what it looks like. Now you have 24 stitches around. We will get started with round 3. There we are going to join the red yarn to complete the petals of the flower. So I'm going to insert the hook into any one of these stitches around and then pull the red yarn through the stitch like this, and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now I'm going to work over this tail on this round as well, just like the previous one, and work 1 double crochet inside the same stitch. Go into the same base stitch and complete 1 single crochet, and then we need to work 2 treble crochets into each one of the next 2 stitches. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. This is the treble crochet. Again, work another treble crochet into the same stitch and then work another 2 treble crochets into the next stitch. 1 and 2. And then work 1 double crochet into the next stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then work a slip stitch into the very same stitch to join the petal. With that, we have completed the first petal of the flower. This is what it looks like. And then we will start with the second petal by working a slip stitch into the very next stitch, and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, then work 1 double crochet inside the same stitch to repeat the pattern, and then work 2 treble crochets into each one of the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Again, another 2 treble crochets into the next stitch, 1 and 2. After that, work 1 double crochet into the next stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work a slip stitch into the very same stitch. Now we have completed 2 petals of the flower, and this is the same pattern we need to repeat until the end of the round. So just repeat the pattern until the end and meet me back there. This is the last petal I'm completing here. So I'm going to just chain 3 and work a slip stitch into the very same stitch to join the last petal, and then to finish off go into the starting point of the round and work another slip stitch. With that we have completed the round. Leave a little tail and we can cut the yarn off. This is what it looks like. And then we will use the yarn needle to hide the tail here. And there you have it. Thanks for crocheting with me today. I hope you enjoyed making this simple flower pattern. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. If you create this flower, share it with me using Hiru Handmade Crochet hashtag. For exclusive patterns and extra content, check out my Patreon and see you next time.